Hi children, welcome to online class. In last class, we learned about uses of water and potable water. In this video, we are going to learn more about water, especially availability of water and how to save water. Each person on the earth requires at least 20 to 50 liters of clean and safe water per day for drinking and other activities. We know that nearly 3 by 4th of the surface of the earth is covered by water. 97% of the total amount of water that exists on earth is found in seas and oceans. Can we drink the water available in the sea? No, because seawater is salty. But water used for our daily purposes is not salty. It is known as fresh water. Water obtained from ponds, puddles, river, tube wells and taps at home is usually fresh water. If the total water on earth be 100%, let's see what percentage would be the availability of fresh water. In this, 97% of water is saline water. Only 3% found in the fresh water, and that too in polar ice caps and glaciers. So, this portion of water is not readily available for drinking. Thus, we have a very small amount of fresh water available for human usage. So, water is precious. That's why we should never waste water. Some methods to prevent wastage of water at home are: never allow water to overflow from buckets. Wash fruits and vegetables in a bowl of water and not under running tap water. Always close the taps while brushing the teeth. Use leftover water in your water bottle to water a potted plant. Turn off the tap after each use. Use a sprinkler to water the garden. As I mentioned you already, we have a very small amount of fresh water available for human usage. So maintaining the water table and the conservation of water is very essential. In olden days, people stored water in different ways. Few methods are well, water tanks in pots, draw well, reservoirs, rivers and bunds, tanks, dams, and borewells. Children, now you understand why water is important, so try to save every drop of water. Now, students, as a class activity, observe the picture and answer these questions and note down in your rough note or textbook. Thank you, children.